Welcome back to Handicap Hub India. Mumbai Sunday racing is complete. This is a result recap from race number 1 to race number 8. Explained calmly for learning and confidence. Let's begin. Race number 1. Our selection is win horse number 1 Be Magical, place horse number 2 Ashwa Brazil, value horse number 5 Azure. Result is first horse number 7 Storm Cloud. Second, horse number 8, Jundalp. Third, horse number 9, Shirsa. Race number 1 did not suit our setup. Be Magical never traveled comfortably, and the race was controlled by the early speed. Azure tried, but pace never collapsed. This was a pace dominated sprint, and we move on. Race number 2. Our selection is win horse number 8, Tempo, place horse number 1, Elevate, value horse number 6, Spectra. Results first horse number 1, Elevate, win at 2 to 1 odds. Second horse number 6, Spectra. Third horse number 8, Tempo. This race worked perfectly in structure. Elevate won at odds of 2 to 1. Spectra ran second and Tempo stayed competitive. This confirms why in July races we focus on discipline and reliability, not hype. Number 3. Our selection is win horse number 3 Atash, place horse number 5 Chagal, value horse number 1 Christophony. Results first horse number 3 Atash, 10 to 1 odds. Second horse number 1 Christophony. Third horse number 5 Chagal. This was a textbook race. Atash won at big odds of 10 to 1, exactly as expected, and Cristofoni delivered on the top trip upgraded logic. This is a pure handicapping value. Race number 4. Our selections is win horse number 2 Buckingham, place horse number 5 Ghost of Victory, value horse number 8 Vortex. Results first horse number 2 Buckingham, win at 3.5 odds. Second horse number 4 D Artagan. Third horse number 1 Alexios. Buckingham did exactly what the trial suggested. When 2-year-old intent is loud, we don't overthink. This was a clean confidence win. Race number 5. Our selection is win horse number 1 Charlie Brown, place horse number 2 Don Julio, value horse number 10 Santana Rao. Results first horse number 2 Don Julio, second horse number 5 Skanda, third horse number 9 Maulan. Charlie Brown did not fire, but John Julio improved sharply and won. This race reminds us the maiden handicap can flip quickly when progress kicks in. Race number 6. Our selections is win horse number 1 Psychic Star, place horse number 2 Odysseus, value horse number 7 Regina Memorables. Results first horse number 3 African Gold, second horse number 1 Psychic Star, third horse number 9 Thalassa. Psychic Star ran honestly and placed, but African Gold controlled the race better. In group races, class and pace execution decide the outcomes. Race number 7. Our selection is win horse number 6 Baleno, place horse number 1 Exotic Star, value horse number 11 Lightning Blaze. Result first horse number 11 Lightning Blaze, win at 20 to 1 odds. Second horse number 4 Maratha Admiral. Third horse number 6 Baleno. Exotic Star was withdrawn, so that selection is void. The positive is Lightning Base won at massive odds of 20 to 1. Validating the value and weight logic, Baleno still ran third. Race number 8. Our selection is win horse number 3, Zaffarano, place horse number 6, Sir Realized, value horse number 11, Star Seeds. Result first, horse number 3, Zaffarano, win at 2 to 1 odds. Second, horse number 11, Star Seeds. Third, horse number 1, Timeless Fortune. Strong finish, Zaffarano delivered cleanly, and Starseed rewarded the value angle, one of the most confidently read races of the day. Final day summary, win hits came in a race number 3, race number 4, and race number 8. Strong value movements is in race number 2 and race number 7. Learning races were race number 1 and race number 5. No exaggeration, just honest outcome and clear logic. This is how we approach racing: calm analysis, honest review, long term discipline. Signing off, Handicap Up India.